Hi to all my viewers. Today's topic that I'll be dealing with it is about how to deal with failures. Now failure, as we all know, is a stepping stone of success. And it is very easy to say to overcome a failure, but when the failure he or she faces the circumstances of it, it is very unbearable to take the pain. So let me tell you a short story. There once lived a king who never got defeated in any of the wars. Wherever and whichever place he would go, he would win the war. But once this king got defeated, he was so much sad, depressed, frustrated that he couldn't take the pain of the defeatness. In the meanwhile, he went in the evening time, he went inside one of the well. He noticed something. He saw a small ant who was trying to climb on the other side of the well. The ant was kept on crawling the bricks but couldn't do so. After a lot of trials, the ant was successful enough to reach onto the other side of the well and went happily. So when the king noticed this, the king also said to himself that if I try, then I would perhaps be able to defeat the king who defeated me, perhaps. So the king on the next day practiced, and he won the war in which he got defeated once. So the moral of the story is never give up in your life. See, a person reaches a failure when the person gives up. When the person says before doing a task that I cannot do the task. But if the person tries, the person will be able to reach the destination one day or some other day. There's nothing harm in trying. You shouldn't give up. If the king had thought by looking at the ant that why the ant is trying so much, even the king would have thought that I wouldn't have tried so hard, then I wouldn't have got defeated. But then he practiced and he sharpened his skills and then he won the war. Similarly, to deal with failure, you should practice. You should never give up. Even in the word impossible, there is I am possible hidden. There's nothing in trying. There's no harm in trying. If you try, one or the other day you will be able to reach your destination. Even in a student's life, if you talk with the first rank or the second rank, even they will say that when they have reached the failure point, it was unbearable for them to take the pain. But they have learned from their mistake and they rectified it. Not only in students' life, the entire life cycle or the life phase of the human life is also like this. Life is short, but you should never give up. The moment you give up, you lose yourself. You come to the failure point. So hence, if you like my video, do give a like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.